Ever wondered when and how to replace your brake pads and rotors? Well, let's dive into the importance of brake maintenance. You see, brake pads and rotors play a critical role in your vehicle's safety system. They work together to create the friction needed to slow down and stop your car. Over time, these components wear down and need to be replaced. Ignoring this crucial maintenance task can lead to reduced braking efficiency, potentially resulting in dangerous driving situations. Imagine cruising down the highway and finding your car unable to stop quickly when needed. Not a pleasant thought, right? And it's not just about safety either. Regular brake maintenance can also help prevent more costly repairs down the line. Think of it as an investment in your vehicle's longevity and your peace of mind. So, it's clear to see, understanding the signs of worn-out brake pads and rotors is crucial for safe driving. So how do you know when it's time to replace your brake pads and rotors? Well, there are a few telltale signs that your brake system might be due for some attention. Firstly, you might start hearing a squeaking or grinding noise whenever you apply the brakes. This is often the first sign that your brake pads are worn out and need replacing. In addition, a warning light may illuminate on your dashboard, indicating that there's an issue with your brakes. This shouldn't be ignored, as it's your car's way of telling you something isn't right. You might also notice your car pulling to one side when you brake. This could be a sign that your brake pads are wearing unevenly, affecting the balance of your vehicle. And finally, if your car is taking longer than usual to stop, this could be a clear indication that your brake pads and rotors need replacing. Ignoring these signs can lead to more serious and expensive problems down the road. Now let's dive into the steps for replacing brake pads and rotors. First up, we'll need to remove the wheel. Loosen the lug nuts while the car is still on the ground, then lift it using a jack stand for safety, and finally, fully remove the wheel. Next, let's tackle the caliper. This component holds the brake pads in place, so we'll need to remove it to access them. You can do this by unscrewing the bolts that secure it. Be careful to support the caliper with a wire or cord to prevent any strain on the brake hose. Now you can easily slide out the old brake pads. Once done, it's time to remove the rotor. If it doesn't come off easily, a few gentle taps with a mallet should do the trick. On to the installation of the new rotor now. It should slip right onto the hub. Following this, you can put the new brake pads in place. Make sure the friction material is facing the rotor. Then it's time to reattach the caliper. Slide it over the new pads and secure it with the bolts. The final step is to put the wheel back on, tighten the lug nuts while the car is lifted, lower the car, and then fully tighten the lug nuts. This is a general guide, and it's always best to refer to the vehicle's manual or consult a professional, as some vehicles may require specific procedures. With these steps, you can replace your brake pads and rotors and ensure a safe and smooth drive. Let's recap what we've covered today. Brake maintenance is crucial, not just for the longevity of your car, but primarily for your safety. Be alert to the signs of worn-out brake pads and rotors, such as grinding noises, pulsations in the brake pedal, or reduced braking efficiency. If these signs appear, it's time to take action. Follow the step-by-step guide to replacing your brake pads and rotors. Remember, timely brake maintenance is not just about saving money on repairs, it's about ensuring your safety on the road. The